What's up, guys? Today, Jeryn, that's her car, not her, she's here today to join us. We're actually gonna be taking some product photos for the giveaway we've got starting November 1st. She's gonna be over helping us with that. But she actually got her own new parts. No surprises this time around. I didn't get them for her. She actually just bought something. She bought a diffuser, so we're gonna be test fitting it today and making sure it works. So I've got my IS300 here on the lift because two things. One, I thought my body kit would be here by now, and two, I talked to Tweaked, who's making my harness, and he said the wiring harness was gonna be done this week, so I thought I was gonna be able to work on it, but also to get drywall done, and I didn't honestly have a single free moment this whole week to work on anything. Let me refresh your memory. I'm doing a single turbo on the 2JZ and the IS300, and it's gonna be fun. I just need a wiring harness. So much going on today, and in this video, before we get started, we're actually picking up Victoria's AMG. This car's been gone for like a week out of the past like 2 weeks. We got a D-chrome on the car, and it's gonna look amazing. This is broke, bro. Uh-oh. All right, Jeryn, come here. I gotta show off the fit.
Oh. Oh, you look good.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
You ready to see your car?
I'm ready.
When are we gonna get your car wrapped, Jeryn?
Whatever.
Here, you can close your eyes and all. Come here. Man. Okay. Ready? Mm-hmm. Open.
That looks so
Dude, killer!
great.
Yo! It looks like a different car just by changing the color of the wheels and blacking out the badges.
So good.
Dude, that is awesome. Brad, you killed it. Just like blacking out the AMG badging on the back is amazing. Blacked out the AMG, we blacked out all the badges, no more chrome.
It looks so good.
This car had chrome here, this car had chrome everywhere, door handles and everything.
I love the roof.
Oh yeah, black roof, duh. What you think, Jeryn?
So cool.
Dude, the black wheels look so nice. And look, they blacked out the side markers, those ugly chrome side markers. This was all done, no more
so
chrome.
good.
Dude. Killed it, man. Killed it, brother. Oh, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That looks so awesome.
Yeah, I really want to buy this car.
I want to show you guys how easy it is to peel off an entire car, even after he does this flow coat stuff.
Yeah, and we did the
Watch
door
this.
jams on this car.
Look at that. Look at that. And look how nice the paint is underneath. It's so safe.
Really
look at that,
good.
dude.
Yeah, it's very.
Jeryn, you want your car done like this? Say, oh God. Yeet. Bro, it looks so much, oh, my camera's broken. I can't zoom. It looks so much better with just black wheels and a roof. Woo! What are you driving home? Hold on, let's look at the brakes. Look at the brakes. Wait, there you go. Yeet. That's awesome. Thanks to Brett at Get Dipped for getting this done for us. Amazing chrome delete. Now let's get home. Jeez, dude. Let's start working on her car. Ooh! The brakes are so sick. I've taught her well. That was awesome. All right, show me what you got. Let's see what you got going on here. Yeah, so oh, you already got spider webs again? We just cleaned her up. Oh! Let's see what you got. Where did you order this from? China?
eBay.
It's from China.
No,
Sick.
it's not from China actually. It's from like Taiwan.
Okay.
Is that better? Or is that worse?
Sure.
My friend sent me the link.
She was like, you should get this.
Yeah.
All right.
I was like, okay.
So
sure.
it's like, it's just like a fiberglassy, that's actually like a plasticky kind of thing. It looks like it's
I was like,
doable.
I could break it with my pinky.
That actually looks definitely cool. The regular Focus, it's kind of like, I don't know what kind of valence that is. Maybe that's like a, there's no center exhaust. So it's nice is I could make it like a dual exhaust when I learn to weld.
Yes.
That'd be tight. Yeah, but look at this. Like, this thing got no booty, bro. She ain't squat.
It's just, it looks weird.
She ain't squat. Well, cool. We can test fit that and make sure it works. And then it's gonna look better than this, for sure.
Yeah, anything will look better than that.
Oh, these Corbos though. Jeryn is flexing. All the ladies in my life got the cool whips. We are just gonna go straight in. Yeah. Look at that nice drywall, bro. Let's get this, let's get a booty lift going on. I don't even know how you, yeah, Brazilian butt lift, is that what we're doing here? I gotta get this thing on the lift and see how you get this thing off. I hope you don't have to like take the entire bumper off. So this guy's got a million things attached to it. You can see that he's got a couple little tabs here. Oh no, those are just tabs. So I think it actually should just pull right out. Cool. I don't actually think this is gonna be as tough as I thought it was gonna be. Not that I thought it was gonna be tough at all. These little tabs are what goes through it. Those will just pull out. So looks like I just gotta do this, get these tabs out, and then it might pull out. See, now you just kind of go up here and just grab it, give it a little yeet.
Yo.
And there you go. So
I feel like I'm gonna hurt it.
Nah, you just rip it straight down. Rip it down, just pull it out, just yeet, like it's a tooth. Like you're losing a tooth. Just yeah, yeah. You gotta make a noise or something. You gotta commit to it. Come on, make a noise. Make a noise, you'll do it. Pull it, just yeah, just yeah.
It's not gonna do it.
I promise you if you make a noise, it will. It's because you're not making a noise.
Yeah. It
No.
didn't work.
All right.
It didn't work.
Let me show you.
I told you, it wasn't gonna work.
Yeet. There you go, see? But you heard the commitment out of my voice there.
I did. I didn't have that much commitment.
There you go. I think this actually might be the only 2 things holding it, or 4 things holding it on, so maybe not. I could be incredibly wrong here. I'm really impressed this thing's on here with the wrath of the Lord, but now, I gotta pull it off. It's literally just these little tabs, but I'm not taking the full bumper off of this. That's ridiculous. These little stupid clips. Oh. There's a rock that just went into my mouth.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put my cake in the shot.
That's fine. It's me right now. Oh.
Literally, little clips. I'm like, what? It literally should just rip out, but it not doing it.
I'm scared. Oh. Oh. Just more pain.
Boy.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Now it should literally rip out.
I hope so. Oh.
I tried really hard. I got scratched.
Oh. I'm just kicking like a soccer ball.
There we go. See? I tell you.
Yo.
Sick. Now, are you gonna line up the same? Am I gonna have to like glue it? Might have to do that.
I don't know. We better figure it out.
I can't see the damn thing.
I can be your eyes. You're doing great. You're welcome. Oh my God. What is this for?
Huh?
This.
I don't know.
It's like just getting in the way.
Is it?
Go behind it? I don't understand.
Oh, that might be. Get it?
Not mentally. Oh my God. Did you pee on the ground over here?
Yep. Oh.
That was really good.
What am I doing wrong here?
It's like way too up.
Oh, okay.
Now it's decent. I see where it is supposed to go through, but like, is it actually going to go through is the question. Oh, there she goes. I don't. Wow.
It's not going in.
Do you have to make them smaller or something? What is going on?
No, you shouldn't have. If it goes in, I guess all the way over there, then I guess it could kind of fit. But this thing is not wanting to cooperate whatsoever. These Taiwanese people didn't really build this very well. It's supposed to have little holes and stuff, and it doesn't line up perfectly. I could probably make it work. It does look cooler though, for sure. How much do you pay for this?
Like 100.
100 bucks?
Yeah.
100 buckaroonies? Dude, you gotta leave a negative feedback for these dudes. This is pretty rough. I'm trying my absolute hardest. I think if I do my magic, I can probably get it to fit, but I mean, they did not do a good job. Like, this is not supposed to be curved. at all. And there's supposed to be two clips here. This one's in the wrong spot. So I don't know. I got it pretty secured like right here, but I'm gonna put the bumper back on to make sure it won't like wobble or anything. And I'm gonna do my best and do a lot of forceful pushing, but we're gonna have to leave a nice comment for these guys.
3 weeks later.
All right, Jeryn, you stunting now. We don't gotta tell them how we did it.
We don't.
But we did it. Shion. We took off a nice, good fitting OE thing and then replaced it with a Taiwanese thing that barely worked. Now, I'm certainly not gonna show you what I used to get everything to work. No way I'm gonna show you that. But it works. I've got some self-tap. It actually is not sturdy right there. That's pretty sturdy. Got some old-fashioned zippies. We're just gonna hope and pray that thing stays on. All right, throw that puppy in the back just in case you got a blowout on the highway. I think it actually looks really good. The car is lower now. Dang, now you need sides, or the car like looks lower. I almost think you need side skirts. We could probably find you some side skirt extensions.
Birthday, I wanted to get myself skide skirts. Yeah.
Skide skirts, yeah.
Side skirts and what's it called?
I don't know. A splitter? Oh, it's pretty aggressive. It's got like a little. It's actually a diffuser.
Yeah.
Nice, but hey, now you've officially experienced what it's like to work with Taiwanese, Chinese eBay parts. Doesn't always work well. Yo, aside from the fact that it fit terribly, like booty cheeks, it actually looks really good. Zoom. The camera don't zoom. Oh, now I can't unzoom.
Cool.
What? You made how you want your car to look?
Look at it look like
That's
with
so
black
cute.
wheels and that would look kind of cool.
That is cool. That is sick. All right, back it up. I want to see this baby. Your butt is very dusty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yo, this car is so sick. When I get good at welding, I'm gonna make her an exhaust, but I need to practice first. Or not. Maybe I could just send it and make a really ugly one. I got to zoom, guys. You're good. Just straight back. Turn a little to the left. There you go. That was a little much, but ooh, boy. Oh. All right, I see you, Jeryn. If I can, there you go. Ooh, buddy. Dude, the springs have settled a little bit. This thing's pretty low in the back. I like it. You fit into the car community now. You have something held together by zip ties that shouldn't be. You haven't built a car until you have just absolutely at one point given up and just decided to use zip ties. If you haven't done that yet, then you haven't built a car. I'm not gonna lie, it does look pretty good.
You're teaching her well.
I like it. I like it. It's got the little fins and stuff like that on it now. And it definitely like fits, even though it's not like lower at all. What? You just almost died. Even though it's not lower at all, it almost like looks like it's lower just because of the fins. I like it. I'm just waiting to see you bust your butt.
A few moments later.
What did you do?
I was on it for 30 seconds and I broke it.
We're standing there and all of a sudden we hear this crack. Oh! All right, go pick out a new board.
Yo, exhaust next. She said, yeah, bye. I was looking for daily advice. That was loud. I always have stuff written down because like at the end of the day where I'm like tired, I can't really remember sometimes. I did have this one written down for my Instagram story. Outside of videos, Instagram's a great way to connect. That looks so good because I use my stories basically as a day in the life, as a vlog as well. There's a lot of exclusives there on Twitter, but I also share stuff like this advice. I share, if you want more guidance, more advice, I usually talk a little bit, I talk way more personal about myself on there as well, but more daily advice and stuff like that as well. I want you guys to know to talk about what you're going through. A lot of times when you're trying to go through something, the worst thing you can do is just keeping it inside. Basically what I'm saying is it's okay to be vulnerable. If you are going through something, if you are struggling with something, if you have a major problem with something, I guarantee you somebody you know in your life, somebody across your feed is going to care. A lot of you are like, oh, nobody listens to me, nobody cares. Well, it sounds like you haven't tried. Be vulnerable and just know that it's okay. It doesn't always need to be on social media. Sometimes venting on social media is the worst thing you can do. But there's no shame in letting people know that you've got stuff going on in your life. For me, and I'll talk about this a little bit more in another video, the month of October, I gave up drinking for the first time since I was 21. The reason why I finally made the decision to stop is because I finally talked to Victoria about it. I finally said something. I really thought that I could handle it. I really thought that I could do it on my own and figure it out, but the moment that I just opened up my mouth and talked about it to her, I finally made the decision, even on my own. And I want to say, I know a lot of you guys have mentioned that I look happier, I look healthier. I am happier, I am healthier, and it's something that's like, again, super vulnerable, but it's been something that's been dragging me down. So far, I'm down 14 pounds in 24 days. This is my 24th day without drinking, and honestly, my life has changed drastically. I want to encourage you guys, even if it's just with your mom or your dad, whether you think they may or may not influence, sometimes you alone, just saying something out loud, can get yourself to make the right move in the right direction. So don't always hide everything. Don't keep everything inside, because you keep it inside, it's never going to change. You guys have an amazing day. Just know I love you guys so much. Take it easy. Hey, I got 2 videos for you. Oh, I'm about to burp. Uh-oh. That wasn't actually that bad. Yeah, this AMG looks sweet. Make sure you watch those 2 videos in front of you and hit that subscribe button, because we got more good stuff.